Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipe and ideas. And we are on day 3 of the detoxing of your body. And hopefully this will be a benefit for someone out there. Anyway, today we changing around the menu differently. But it's same detoxing of your body. We are using ginger, lemon, and also cucumber, mint, and water. Oh, it's an amazing recipe, guys. So hopefully this will be a benefit to you guys. And remember, as I said before in the video before, you have to look after yourself, guys. And you know what I mean, there's no one else going to look after you. You individual have to look after yourself, okay? So today I'm doing the 7th day of detoxing your body. That means you understand you're supposed to get the point where Chef Ricardo been talking about detoxing your body. Detoxing your body, that means you are looking after yourself, okay? And please, I know a lot of you guys see this video and are gonna watch this video. Please share it. Share the video, guys. There is someone out there need to know these things, honestly, because these things works, okay? Detoxing your body, you might, okay, person might say, oh, I didn't lose anyway, Chef Ricardo, but you have to see some result in your system, in yourself. Even when you go to the toilet, you're supposed to see some result. So today, as I said before, we are doing 7 days with the detoxing of our body, and we are day 3. We are on day 3. We have 4 more days to go, and we will get there, okay? So guys, stay tuned, and remember, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, and Google Plus page. And as I said before, you need to drink 1 in the morning before your breakfast and eat healthy. If it doesn't eat healthy, you can't say it's my fault. It's your fault. You need to look after yourself. Remember, as I said before, we're coming out with 1 week of video of how you're gonna do smoothie, and also stay tuned and look forward for that one. So thank you so much for watching the show, and stay tuned. We're not going anywhere, and share the video and tell a friend, and a friend will know about Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye. Love that, nice. So we on day 3 of detoxing our body. As I said before, guys, you know what I mean, we are doing 1 week of detoxing our body, and we are on day 3. Day 3 today, we want to do something totally different from the other rest of the day than what we normally do. The day before we do cucumber, lemon, and mint. Today we want to do some ginger. I got a glass of water. You need to do 2 glasses of water. You need to have 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Or if you want to make a big jug and bring it to work and drink it straight through the day, no problem. So first of all, what I want to simply say to you, as you can see, I have right here, I'm going to explain it to the fans then that they can see exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with this detoxing, because I take it so seriously, guys. You know what I mean? I want the fans to know what's going on. Right here, I just grate some ginger, and I use this side of the grater. As you can see, this side of the grater. You can use this side if you want, but I use this side. Nice one. The next thing, gonna put my cup, big glass right there, and I'm gonna simply say how much I get out of it. I get 1 tablespoon of ginger. Nice one. And all I'm going to do is pop some water in it like this. Yeah, it's best to use hot water. It's more stronger with the hot water, but you don't need to, you know what I mean? You can just use some cold water, because what I'm doing at the moment is very good. Alright, it's just detoxing the body, and it's very important, as I said, for your health and for your benefit. And if you doesn't look after yourself, who's going to do it? So today, that's the question I'm asking. Who's going to do it? Alright, first of all, what you can do, you can leave this in the jug for about 10 minutes. But I'm just going to explain it through the video, so you guys can see. You can either leave it in the glass for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. What we're going to do, I'm just going to simply strain it off like this into my glass. As you can see, the water look orange already, because when you strain the ginger, it's better. Next one, then I'm going to just simply squeeze out the liquid out of the ginger. Then we're going to get the bad boy. This is the bad boy. A lot of people doesn't know. Cucumber is one of the most powerful thing ever make. We're gonna get a few slices, and we're going to put it straight inside of the water like this. See that? Lovely. Then lemon, or if you have lime, you can use lime or lemon. Few slices into the water like that. Then let's get a few pieces of the mint, put it straight inside of the water. And what you're going to do, tell Chef Ricardo. Alright, what you're going to do with this now, guys, is leave this in the water for roughly about 5 to 6 hours and make it simmer in the water, and the lemon, the ginger, and everything just work in the water together. And what you do, you drink this in the morning before your breakfast, or if you're doing exercise. And as I said before, once you're detoxing your body, you need to eat healthy. Alright, don't say I didn't say you need to eat healthy, guys. If you eat something in the morning, say you eat some fruits in the morning, try and eat a salad for lunch. Try and eat an apple, you know what I mean, or something doing for break. Then in the night before you go to your bed, try and eat some fruit, some vegetable, steamed vegetable, or you know, something very simple. Yeah, so you have to eat healthy. Don't bother with this whole heap of rice, cake, and you know what I mean, you say you want to detox your body, it's not gonna work. So basically, as I say, if you're gonna detox your body for 7 days, I know you want to lose that 5 kilo, and then you've been following Chef Ricardo, as I said before, every evening we've been doing a video for 7 days. We're on day 3 now. Day 3 we're using some ginger, and tomorrow we might use something different. It's the same part of detoxing your body with all these things, but we're not gonna leave out the cucumber and the lemon and the mint, because this is very important. This is what makes you a part of detoxing your body, guys. And as I said, it is fantastic. I don't know, a lot of people, this morning someone ring me up and said, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much for doing this video for the 7 days. It just helping me. So far she's on day 2, and I got another co-worker is on day 2 also. We're gonna do the day 3, which is what we are doing now. And as I said before, you have to drink 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Okay, the first one you drink in the morning before breakfast, and the other one in the evening before you go to your bed. So guys, stay tuned with Chef Ricardo. As I said, we're doing a 7-day detox in your body, and hopefully this will be a benefit to you. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. And if you want to do some more research for your own self, you can go on the internet and type in about detoxing your body, and you will see exactly what Chef Ricardo is talking about. So stay tuned as we finish up the video with detoxing your body right here with Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. We love you guys, and remember, share, subscribe, and tell someone about the detoxing for 7 days. It works. It works. It works. See you next time.